Please, my people, share this video. Share this video. If you can hold yourself and stop drinking all this mineral, it will be better for you. Ordinary water, natural water is the best. Avoid so many things. If you can stop drinking mineral, just watch this video. Maybe it will help you to do it. Thank you. Share this video, please.
This one tired me. Hey, I beg una see wetin dey happen, wetin I see today. Yesterday, my husband go buy coke. At least I want drink coke. He say, okay, come go buy coke for me. I can't tire, I can't sleep off. I can't say I no can't drink the coke. So, as this morning come reach, I can't say, okay, that coke, I like to drink cold thing very early in the morning. Make I carry am drink. Only for me to see say, this coke, the bottle dey very soft. And the thing come too full. I got the one that say, waiting, that coke is never like this. You know, be like this. I can't say, okay, make I wait. I can't ask my husband, I beg, she na coke be this, I be na something where they feel. He say na coke now, and one woman will get a big shop for our estate now, but so okay. So I now went back there, and now ordered for coke again. And I said, can I have coke? She gave me this one again. You can see, see, this one is very fluffy. See this one, see the original coke here. Now, I can say, okay, so I go check. I now noticed that this one is a fake coke and this one is the original coke, and this coke was bought in the same place. Just as in Nigerians, when they see matter. Now this coke, I've not opened it. Let it not look like maybe somebody is trying to be relevant on Facebook or social media. No, there's nothing like relevance in this one. Now I'm trying to tell people now that coke that takes all these coke, sweet things, please be very, very careful. Coca-Cola have never made anything like this before. Now we're going to open it. Oh, let's see this one now. See one for help me. You see now Mop will check this one. See this one now. To tell you that I've not opened, I just opened them now. Now see, you don't even come see. You see? Shall now don't see say this one na fake coke. So somebody fit dey go for him backyard, go they produce fake coke they sell, and person where they sell them could not notice that this coke is fake. And you know what? I'm very, oh God, Nigerians, this is really bad. Imagine una when they drink this kind of thing. I beg, I use to beg everybody. I beg you, if you're taking coke, if you're taking Fanta, just be careful. They are fake everywhere. Fake. This is the original coke.